Do you love fashion and latest trends? Welcome to Behind the Post. Hi, my name is Maria-Christina and I have prepared for you a DIY summer fashion trend. I'm gonna show you how to make this look like this in 3 super easy steps. Let's go! So there is a smidge here and washing didn't do much, so I will take this opportunity to put bleach on this side to make it white. The first step is to take the tape and put it exactly here so the bleach will not go on that side of the jean. Under the sun for 2 hours. You can see here that it has already started changing its color. It will become like green. So let's see in 2 hours. Here we are. The outcome is amazing. The jeans are too tall.